The Tesla Model Y 2025 arrives with a refined exterior that speaks volumes before it even moves. At first glance, it carries the recognizable silhouette of its predecessor, but every detail has been sharpened and subtly elevated to express modernity and aerodynamics. The front fascia has undergone a noticeable transformation. The headlights are now slimmer and more angular, merging seamlessly into the body panels, giving it a futuristic and assertive visual identity. The bumper design has been restructured with more defined air channels, not for engine cooling, but for improving airflow and reducing drag. Moving along the side, the profile of the Model Y feels more sculpted. Tesla's design team has clearly worked on improving panel alignment and material finishes, resulting in a tighter and more cohesive appearance. The door handles remain flush with the body, preserving that clean, uninterrupted line from front to rear. A new set of 20-inch alloy wheel designs adds a sense of dynamic movement, even at a standstill, and the option of matte finishes introduces a new level of personality for those wanting a more aggressive aesthetic. The rear gets a slight but meaningful update. The taillights are now fully LED with a unique, segmented signature that gives the car a distinct light profile at night. The rear bumper is more streamlined, and the roofline transitions more fluidly into the tailgate, improving the vehicle's aerodynamics. The panoramic glass roof, which extends across nearly the entire length of the cabin, is now even more seamless from the outside. The use of high-strength steel and aluminum has been balanced for both safety and aesthetics, contributing to an overall tighter structure and lower weight. Every crease, every edge, every curve feels intentional, working in harmony to reduce drag and improve range while visually announcing that the future has a shape. The Tesla Model Y 2025 isn't just about electric mobility, it's about refined power and optimized delivery. Beneath the sleek exterior lies a revamped dual-motor all-wheel drive system that elevates the driving experience in ways that go beyond raw numbers. The instant torque delivery remains one of the car's most thrilling traits, but now the software calibration has been fine-tuned to deliver power with more finesse. Acceleration feels both aggressive and balanced, with 0 to 60 mph achieved in just under 4.5 seconds in the long-range variant, and even faster in the performance trim. It's the kind of speed that pushes you back into your seat without the mechanical drama. Just clean, quiet propulsion. Handling has seen notable improvements. With a lower center of gravity thanks to the optimized battery placement and subtle suspension refinements, the 2025 Model Y feels more planted during cornering and smoother over uneven roads. Steering feedback is sharper, aided by recalibrated steering assistance algorithms that now respond more naturally at varying speeds. Whether navigating tight urban streets or opening up on the highway, the connection between driver and machine feels more direct. One of the standout upgrades comes from Tesla's latest generation 4680 battery cells. These energy-dense cells not only reduce overall vehicle weight, but extend driving range significantly. Drivers can now expect up to 350 miles on a full charge under ideal conditions, an improvement that places the Model Y at the forefront of electric SUV in terms of efficiency. Battery cooling systems have also been updated, allowing for more consistent performance during high-speed runs or extended drives in varying temperatures. Regenerative braking feels more intuitive, and the transition between coasting and energy recapture is smoother than in previous models. All of this results in a vehicle that doesn't just go further, it gets there with confidence and control. The 2025 Tesla Model Y continues to redefine in-car technology by pushing boundaries where most vehicles are still catching up. The centerpiece of the interior remains the familiar 15-inch horizontal touchscreen, but this time it operates with noticeably enhanced speed and responsiveness. The updated user interface introduces fluid transitions, simplified navigation, and customizable layouts that adapt to individual driving preferences. Every interaction, from adjusting climate control to accessing vehicle settings, feels instantaneous, making the touchscreen not just a tool, but an extension of the driving experience. Voice commands have been improved as well, now responding more naturally to conversational speech patterns, reducing the need to touch the screen while driving. Tesla has finally introduced full integration with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, addressing one of the few long-standing requests from users. This inclusion now allows seamless access to music, messages, navigation, and third-party apps, all without breaking the immersion of the Tesla ecosystem. The sound system has also received an upgrade with a more balanced acoustic profile and deeper bass, creating a richer in-cabin audio experience that complements media consumption or hands-free calls. When it comes to autonomy, the 2025 Model Y is powered exclusively by Tesla Vision, eliminating radar and leaning fully into a camera-based perception system. This shift allows for smoother lane changes, more precise following distances, and better recognition of road elements like traffic lights, pedestrians, and cyclists. Autopilot now handles complex urban driving scenarios with more confidence, and Smart Summon has become more accurate in navigating tight spaces. Each over-the-air update continues to enhance the car's learning ability, making it smarter with time. Navigation has been refined with better route optimization based on real-time traffic, charging station availability, and driving patterns, providing a more tailored driving experience that anticipates needs before they're even recognized. Stepping into the Tesla Model Y 2025 reveals a cabin that has matured in both material quality and ergonomic design. The first noticeable improvement is the silence. The cabin feels more isolated from the outside world due to the use of double laminated acoustic glass on all windows and additional sound deadening materials hidden beneath the interior panels. Road noise, wind turbulence, and exterior distractions are significantly reduced, creating a calm and refined atmosphere ideal for both city commutes and long-distance travel. The seats are now redesigned with a new generation of vegan leather that's softer to the touch, more breathable, and resistant to temperature changes. Front seats come with additional lumbar support and contouring that better conforms to a wider range of body types, while rear passengers benefit from deeper seat cushioning and a slightly reclined angle that promotes comfort over extended periods. Tesla has also subtly reworked the seat anchoring points to improve legroom in the second row, resulting in a more open and inviting rear cabin area. Ambient lighting now runs subtly along the dashboard and door panels, with adjustable color profiles to match driver preferences. The panoramic glass roof remains a showpiece, but it's now enhanced with a new UV blocking coating that reduces heat transfer while allowing natural light to pour in. Even in warmer climates, the cabin stays cooler, and the sky remains visible without discomfort. Storage space continues to be a highlight, with the front trunk offering convenient additional capacity and the rear cargo area expanding up to 76 cubic feet, with the seats folded flat. The underfloor compartments are deeper and better organized, while the new center console features a sliding cover, wireless charging pad, and dual cup holders with adjustable grips. HVAC vents are now more discreet and allow for multi-zone control with pinpoint airflow adjustments via the touchscreen, maintaining Tesla's philosophy of combining minimalism with maximum usability. The Tesla Model Y 2025 reinforces its position not just as a high-tech vehicle, but as a symbol of modern sustainability. From the production process to dated ownership, every element has been recalibrated to minimize environmental impact. Tesla's Gigafactory in Texas now utilizes more renewable energy sources than ever before, including on-site solar and advanced battery storage, making the manufacturing process cleaner and more efficient. The body of the Model Y incorporates a greater percentage of recycled aluminum and low-carbon steel, reducing both material waste and carbon output during construction. Inside the cabin, sustainability extends to the materials themselves. The synthetic upholstery is plant-based and completely free of animal byproducts, while still maintaining a soft, luxurious feel. The carpeting is made from recycled plastics, and even the wood trim options are now sustainably sourced. Tesla has placed an emphasis on reducing the use of adhesives and harsh chemicals in the cabin, contributing to healthier air quality within the interior space. When it comes to real-world driving, the benefits continue. The updated thermal management and powertrain systems make the Model Y one of the most energy-efficient electric SUV available, using less energy per mile while delivering high performance. Owners benefit from Tesla's expansive and rapidly growing supercharger network, now featuring V4 stations capable of up to 350 kW charging speeds. This means less time spent waiting and more time driving, with charging sessions that can recover up to 200 miles in just 15 minutes under optimal conditions. Tesla's integrated software suite also supports energy-conscious planning, allowing drivers to choose routes with charging stops that optimize both convenience and grid impact. Maintenance requirements remain minimal due to the absence of oil changes, exhaust systems, or traditional brake wear. Over-the-air updates reduce the need for in-person service visits and help extend the lifespan of the vehicle through continuous improvements to efficiency, safety, and user experience. The Tesla Model Y 2025 is more than just an evolution. It's a redefinition of what an electric SUV can be. With its aerodynamic redesign, improved performance dynamics, and cutting-edge technology, it delivers a driving experience that feels both effortless and intelligent. The cabin has become a sanctuary of comfort and minimalism, packed with thoughtful enhancements that elevate everyday usability. Its impressive range, faster charging, and enhanced efficiency prove that electric convenience no longer comes with compromise. And beyond performance and aesthetics, it champions sustainability in every layer, from materials to manufacturing, from software to ownership. The 2025 Model Y isn't trying to be the future, it's already living in it.